Chapter 17 Shelters of Animals. Like us, animals too have shelters to live in. Animals live in special shelters. They need a shelter to protect themselves from wind, rain, cold, enemies, and to raise their young ones. Some animals make their own shelters. Bees live in hives. Birds live in nests. Ants live in ant hills. Shelters of wild animals. Wild animals live in forests. They choose natural places as their shelters. Lion lives in dens. Snakes live in holes. Elephants live under the shade of trees. Shelter of pet and domestic animals. We keep pets and domestic animals because they are useful to us. Pet animals are those animals which we keep at our home for our pleasure. We nurture them and look after them. We give them food, our love and care. Dogs, cats, rabbits and parrots are some common pets. We make shelters for them. A dog is kept in a kennel. A rabbit is kept in a hutch. A parrot is kept in a cage. Animals which are kept on farms or in our houses are called domestic animals. They also live in man-made shelters. Cows are kept in a shed. Horses are kept in a stable. Hens are kept in a coop. Caring for pets and domestic animals. These animals are helpful to us in many ways. We should always keep the homes of these animals neat and clean. Animal dung or droppings need to be removed every day. They need to be given sufficient food and clean water. If our pets or domestic animals are unwell, we must give immediate treatment. We must take them to the veterinary hospital and get them checked by the veterinary doctor. Unwanted animals in our house. Besides pets and domestic animals, there are some animals that are often seen in our house. They are unwanted animals, which are harmful to us. Spiders, mosquitoes, rats, flies, lizards, and cockroaches are examples of unwanted animals. They bother us and spread many diseases. They come out of their hiding places in search of leftover food. These animals can be found in drains, gaps of cabinets and cupboards, and nooks and corners that are dark and cool in our houses. A cockroach on food. We use mouse traps, pesticides, insecticides, phenyl, mosquito repellent, etc. to get rid of them as they can be harmful to us. Value voice. We should not damage shelters of animals who live in forests or who live in shelters made by us. We should be good to them. Key words. Domestic animals. Animals that we keep in our surroundings for our use. Pet animals. Animals that we keep at home. Stable. Horses' shelter. Let's remember. A shelter keeps the animals safe from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. Domestic animals are kept on farms or in our houses for various purposes. Pets and domestic animals usually live in man-made shelters. Our pets and domestic animals need our love, care, and affection. Besides these, there are some more animals which live in our houses. These are cockroaches, rats, mosquitoes, houseflies, spiders, and lizards.